Today we will be solving for a variable using addition and subtraction with division. We're ultimately going to be solving for b. Now remember, we've learned about variables and how they help us solve equations. They can either be used as represented in a letter or in a symbol. Here we're going to be looking at the problem A equals 5b plus 9c. Ultimately we'll be solving for b, but we need to look at this number first because ultimately we want to get b off on its own. So looking at the sign in front of the 9, we know it's an addition sign. The opposite of addition is subtraction, as seen in the next step. Okay, to get rid of the 9c, we start with the plus 9c minus 9c. What we do to one side, we have to also do to the other, as seen by a minus the 9c is equal to 5b plus the 9c minus the 9c. Notice these will cancel out and we will be left with 5b. We copy this, a minus 9c. Now, looking at the variable, it still has a number in front of it. So we need to solve for just b. So this can also be recognized as 5 times b. The opposite of multiplication is division, as seen here. So we would ultimately divide both sides by 5. A minus 9c divided by 5 is equal to 5b over 5. These, again, would cancel out. We are left with b, because these cancel out, b is equal to a minus 9c over 5. You have just solved for b. Let's do one more example. This time we're going to solve for the letter s. Here's our given problem of negative 6r plus 16s is equal to negative 4. Again, s is in the middle. Looking this side of the equation, in front of it, you'll see a negative 6r. Notice it's a negative 6. To get rid of the r on that side, we need to change the sign. The opposite of negative is positive, so we will do negative 6r plus 16s is equal to negative 4 plus 6r. Again, it's noted in red to just show you that what you do to one side, you also do to the other. These again will cancel each other out, and we are left with 16s is equal to negative 4 plus 6r. Now, again, we're solving for s, but there still remains a number before the variable. So this can be read again as 16 times s, so the opposite of that is division. As seen here, we will divide each side by 16. This will cancel out, and we are left with s is equal to negative 4 plus 6r over 16. Today you have learned 2 problems in how to solve a variable.